In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a full network reset on your Canon Pixma TS3720 series printer. So guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So to do this guys, we need to make sure our printer is on, and it's actually really simple. We want to come over to the LCD screen here, and as we can see there is a number in the top, and what we need to do is we need to make sure that we need to press the setup button above and press it so we reach the number 10. There we go. And then once we've reached the number 10 guys, all you need to do is just press the black or color button. And then what that is going to do is it's going to reset your Wi-Fi settings. So you're going to disconnect from the Wi-Fi. You're going to disconnect from any connections that you have, such as your computer or your phone, and then you'll be able to reconnect to the Wi-Fi again. And then, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to press black. And as we can see guys, so we are connected to the Wi-Fi, and in a second that's going to go away, which means that we will have no Wi-Fi connection. So guys, that is it. That is how to reset your Wi-Fi. If you guys want to know how to reconnect to the Wi-Fi after this, there we go. Look, it's all gone. So if you want to know how to reconnect to the Wi-Fi after this and get connected back to your devices, check out the link down below where I show you exactly how to do that. But that is it for today's video guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you did find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, if you guys are looking for any printer supplies, check out the link in the description guys. They are our sponsor, a global printer supply store. They do global shipping and fast delivery and really good deals all the time. We get all of our stuff from them, and you'd be helping out a small business and you would be helping out us. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.